Guys, welcome back to my channel. Now for today, I'm going to be showing you how to make probably the most refreshing drink you have ever tried before. Enough talking, now let's get started. Alright, so for today, we're going to be making this spiced blueberry agua fresca. I'm starting off by adding 3 cups of water to my saucepan. I'm going to bring this to a simmer with 2 cinnamon sticks and a small carton of blueberries. All of that flavor of the cinnamon is going to infuse into this water, as well as that deep blueberry color. Now after about 20 minutes, remove the cinnamon sticks, and I'm going to blend this mixture and put it through a sieve to remove all of those little seeds from the blueberries. If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on my quick and easy recipes, which are posted every other day. They're always similar to this one. They always have a unique twist to them. There's never any boring recipes on this channel. Now after I strain these blueberries, I'm going to mix this concentrate with 1 cup of sugar to sweeten it. Feel free to use honey or agave syrup if you like. Then I will simply be adding this to 2 cups of cold water and serve this in a big cup of ice, complete with a straw. Now feel free to use any berries you have on hand. The first time I actually tried this drink, which originates from Guatemala, was made using blackberries. Also, don't forget about all the health benefits of these ingredients we use today. So go ahead and drink up and enjoy. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you next time for another quick recipe.